The other one was a good one. This guy ain't. This ain't a bad spot, but... Come on, chill. I didn't work the other one right. The other one was probably like a 4-pound large and small one. Dadgummit, other spot. Another one. That ain't bad. That is small. Oh, I don't know about that one. That might be a largie. That's good, whatever it is. That is small, I think. Yeah, good largie. Nice. He was way up there. It ain't that big, but... I thought he was bigger. I saw him in the water, but it won't take. Had 2 of them. I just stopped in his face. And yeah, look at that guy. I think he might have wanted it. We'll weigh this guy. 3.5 maybe. Yeah, 311. Not bad in there. That's cool one on the jerkbait. That's good. He was up there. He was high in the water column. Oh, he's waking on it. That's gotta be a largie. Yep. Dude, I watched him wake over to it and then just slurp it under. Yeah, another largie, dude. Nice. Nice. That's a decent one, too. I got a boat flip, I don't want to get my line caught up. That's a 3, maybe. 3. Wait real quick and get back out there. Yeah, he's legit 3 pounds on the dot. That's a cool eat though. Not big one. But there you go. Missed another shad. Boom. Dude, that's perfect. Come on. Oh, dadgummit. Oh, another one. Oh, dude. Lost back 2.5. Oh, there they are, there they are. Oh, I got him. Oh, good. Smallie. Dude, I barely have him. Oh my gosh, dude, I got him reeling it. I'm not gonna get this guy one, I don't think. Nice, dude. Look at that. He ate it reeling it. I was gonna go cast to these other guys that are munching over here. Dude. 3 1/4, 3 1/2. Three 9. It's Adam. Fawning right there, guys. Thank you, sir. Oh, hey there. You good? Going back down. Come on. I'm gonna say, you ate my jerkbait in 2 foot of water. Now we're gonna move. Hopefully to greener pastures, possibly not. You just never know. Dude. I watched him on scope do that, dude. It's just a spot. I watched him on scope riling up on it. Watch him go up there and go whoop. I think it's just spots in there. I'm about to get out of here. Heck no, he's feisty. Oh! Oh no, I thought he had no upper jaw for a minute. He's just feisty. He's a little bit better than I expected. He's just a goofy fellow. 2-pounder. Hi there! See you, buddy. Well, that ain't what we wanted. Spot a bass. See you, buddy. There, guys. A little bit bigger. I thought he was 2.5, so he's a little bit bigger. I've been small eyeing him a little bit, I guess. We take that. I'd rather small eye him. But I mean, that ain't bad. I got him. I got him. I got him. It's gotta be big. Oh, it's not. It's good. I mean, it's a good smallie. I thought it was a big large. Daggone. 3-pound smallie. It's about to pop off, I think. Ah! Look at that. It's even that big. Oh my gosh, no. Daggum, look at all that shad he spit up. Not even that big. Freaking 2 3/4. Ugh, he threw shad everywhere. Daggum, dude. Yeah. He ain't even that big, dude. 2 3/4. Oh, dude. Gross. Gosh. That was a cool eat though, dude. I followed a couple of those guys for like a mile. I thought he was way bigger and I thought he was a largie. Ew. I can't believe it ate. It's big. Dude, that's big. That's a bass. Oh, that's a bass. Yeah, it is big smallie. Big smallie. I couldn't believe he ate it, dude. Come on, are you? Quit spitting up shad. I need all the weight I can get. Not even that big. He's long. He's not that fat though. Come on, come on. Come here. Nah, he's long, dude. He's got the length of 4.5. Dude. God. Dude, he ain't fat, but daggum. Look at that thing, he's beat up. That's an old one. Nice fish though. $3.14.5. It touched 3.15. I don't think it'll get quite 14 though. It might on land, but I don't care, dude. That's just pretty. Nice, dude. Thank you. Yeah, such pretty fish. Such pretty fish. You're fine, buddy. Freaking ate it in my line. I can't leave. Found a hatch. That's cool. Dude, I could have actually, if I had my head up, I could have, oh my gosh, he's bigger than I thought. If I had my head up, I could have watched him eat that. I think that's a, oh shoot, that's a 3-pounder. Might not go that big. I didn't think it was that big though. Now, yeah. 2 3/4, I think. 2.5, 2 3/4. Well, 2.5, I'd say. About 2.5. It is. He's just long. Some of these guys are really like short and have a lot of fat to them. Some of them are just long, like this guy, but still a little over 2.5, I'd say. That's fun. Ate it right in front of the trolling motor. Literally the fish that I was trying, like the exact spot, I was like, dude, solid one there. 3-pounder. Maybe 3-pounder. I think he probably would have been. I saw him, I saw his whole mouth. I only waited for him to suck it under, just reel into him. But nope, not good enough. Oh my gosh, I choked it. Sorry, buddy. Daggum it. Oh, shoot. I already ate that thing. Gosh. There you go. Okay. Plenty feisty. Dude, I scoped him. It was such a sick eat, dude. Gosh, that's a... Look at how fat that guy is. That's crazy. Gosh. Look at that football. 3-pound spot. That was awesome. That was insanely cool. So, what happened was, I actually both flipped that one because I knew I didn't have him too great. I wanted to get some leverage on him, but what happened was I saw him up near the surface. I was too close to him to where I felt like I could pick up another rod. He was in like 2 foot of water, so I tossed she was in about 5, but I tossed pop on him, boop, 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 see him boil, boop. That was cool. That was super cool. What the hell is that? Oh, it's a big old spot. Daggum. Oh, you're a spot. I'm gonna weigh him. He's like 2 3/4. He's not quite as big as I thought. Yeah, 2 3/4. That's good. As soon as we pulled up. You like yelling doing that? Smalley. What? 8 pounds smaller. Now you ain't going. Nice in there. Pretty. Good. They're like 2.5 pound spot. Good. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this one. Like I said, we might make a couple casts back at the ramp, but this will probably be just about it. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. We caught a solid amount. You know, I mean, we ended up with 18 pounds, so that ain't bad at all. I forgot, like 18.9 or something like that. But yeah, had fun. A good day. Got to practice some scoping, catch them on a minnow and a jerkbait, and hey, we scoped with a popper, which is a lot of fun. Scoping with a topwater is a ton of fun. Hey, we did it with your own ways. We didn't even just do it with school, so pretty cool stuff. Especially that 3-pound spot, that 3-pound roaming spot I caught with the popper. It's pretty dang cool. So yeah, hope you guys had fun. Stay tuned for the next video.
Bye.